Today our topic to discuss is solution of inequality. If we are given a symbol of inequality, so how do we find the solution of that inequality? Let's take a problem question 1. 3 into 2x plus 1 minus 2 into 2x plus 5. This expression is less than, this is the symbol of inequality, less than 5 into 3x minus 2. So how do we find the solution of this inequality? Let first take a round of these rules of inequality. If 2 is less than 1, 2 is less than 1, so if we multiply minus 3 on both sides of this inequality, so it will become minus 6 and it will become minus 10. So this equality will be changed because minus 6 is greater than minus 10. So what is the rule if we multiply with the negative number on both sides? So this inequality will be changed. If it is less than, so it will become greater than. If it will be greater than, so it will become less than. And take another example, rule 6 is greater than 3. So if we divide these two numbers with minus 2, so it will become, sorry, with minus 3, sorry. If we divide this inequality with minus 3 on both sides, so it will become minus 2 and it will become minus 1. So again this inequality will be changed. Minus 2 is less than minus 1. So these two rules, if we multiply with the negative number on both sides of an inequality, either we divide with the negative same number on both sides, so this inequality will be changed. Now 10 is less than 16. Yes, everybody know 10 is less than 16. So we add 2 on both sides. So this inequality will remain same. It will become 12, it will become 18, and 12 is less than 18. It means that makes no difference if we add a particular number on both sides, so this inequality will remain same. 15 is greater than 9 if we subtract 3 from both sides, so there will be no change on this inequality. It will become 12, it will be 6, 12 is greater than 6. So inequality rules are these: if we add either subtract a particular number from both sides, so these inequality symbols will remain same. But if we multiply or divide a particular number on both sides of inequality, so these inequality symbol are reversed. Means if it is less than, it will be greater than. If it is greater than, it will become less than. Now we will, according to these rules, we apply these rules. These are some different as compared to an equation rules. So let proceed to this to solve this question. So apply distributive law of multiplication over addition. Open this bracket, multiply this 3 inside, so it will become 6x plus 3 into 1 3, minus 2 into 2x, it will become minus 4x, and minus into this plus, it will become minus 2 into 5, that is 10, less than 5 into 3x 15x minus 5 into 2 10. Now normally we take these variable terms on the left hand side and constant numbers on the right hand side. 6x minus 4x 15x, we will take it on the left hand side, it will become minus, and on the right hand that was minus 10, and this plus 3 it will become minus on the right hand side, and this minus 10 will become plus 10 on the right hand side. And this inequality symbol will remain same because we have added or subtracted from both sides some numbers. So 6x it will become minus 19x plus 6x, it will become minus 3x, which is less than minus 10 plus 10, they will be cancelled to each other and it will be minus 3 only. So if we divide with minus 3 on both sides of this inequality, so what will happen according to that rule? So minus 13 divided by minus 3 divided by minus 13, minus minus will be cancelled and this symbol will be reversed. It was less than, it will become greater than, because we have multiplied with a negative number on both sides. So let's take another question. So it is a double inequality in this question. So this symbol is greater than or equal to, this is greater than or equal to, so it will be easy if we make two inequalities. 3 is greater than or equal to 7x minus 2 and 7 minus x over 2 is greater than 1. We make two inequalities. At the end we will combine these two inequalities. So this is 2 plus 2. We will multiply on the left hand side, it will become 6. So it will not change the symbol because it is plus number, not negative number. And next, minus x 7 will go on the left hand side, so it will become minus. So there will be no change on this in this inequality. So 6 minus 7, that will become minus 1 and this is minus x. So if minus 1, this, we need this x, not minus x. So here is 1 coefficient of this x minus 1. If we take on the left hand side, it will divide this minus 1, so it will become plus 1 and symbol will be reversed because we minus 1 we uh, took it on the left hand side and it divided this minus 1. So as we know, this symbol of this inequality will be reversed. Now come to this side, this is 2 and we will take it on the right hand side and it will be 2, 1 into 2, 2, 7. Here is plus, and if we will take on the right hand side, it will become minus and there will be no change on this inequality. 2 minus 7, answer is minus 5. We know this integer, if one number is plus, second is minus, so we subtract these two numbers and symbol will be of the greater one. So now we have to remove this minus minus. Here is 1 minus 1. We will divide this minus 5 with this minus 1 and this symbol will be reversed again. So minus 5 over minus 1, answer will be 5. So now we will combine these two inequalities. Here is x, which is less than 5 and greater than or equal to 1. So it is our solution. Okay, x is less than or equal to 5 and greater than or equal to 1.